How to put a video on your featured photos on Facebook application. To add a video on your highlights on your Facebook application, this video is for you. For that, first of all, launch your Facebook application and make sure that you have logged into your account. Then hit on the menu button, which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. From there, on the top, you will see your profile name. Simply hit on that. Once your profile page is opened, a little bit down you will see your highlights or featured photos. If you go through it and hit on the three dots from the top, select Edit Highlights, then from here you can add a video. But as you can see, I have already added the video, but you cannot really see it on the featured photos. But if you have previously added a story of a video, then you can post it on the highlight. Other than that, it is not really possible to other videos to be featured on Facebook. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.